Next, this was a slew of Trump headlines all within like the same minute. You could see this 11 minutes ago, 11 minutes ago, 11 minutes ago, 12 minutes ago, 12 minutes ago. Trump, if we didn't have crypto, China would. Trump, Bitcoin takes pressure off the dollar. I'll come back to that one. Trump praises jobs produced by crypto. Trump on crypto. We have created a very powerful industry. Trump, crypto is a very funny thing. Wonder what he meant by the last one. I want to focus on the Trump Bitcoin takes pressure off the dollar. What an interesting thing to say. And so if you go back to this and you see Trump says that Bitcoin takes pressure off the dollar. My interpretation of this is pressure off the dollar means stable coins take pressure off the US financing its deficits. Why is Bitcoin the new oil? Well, because oil, like the petrodollar was a way for the U.S. to finance its deficits. The U.S. said, price your oil in dollars. You'll get a bunch of dollars. You'll turn around. You'll invest those dollars back into our U.S. treasuries, and we'll give you weapons and protection in the form of our military. That was the relationship with Saudi Arabia. And so the U.S. found buyers of its debt with the petrodollar system. Bitcoin takes pressure off the dollar. And so it is my interpretation that Trump is saying Bitcoin takes pressure off the dollar because, first of all, as Bitcoin grows, the dollar weakens. You need to weaken the dollar against something. So there has to be an escape valve. It's going to be gold and Bitcoin, in my opinion. It allows the dollar to weaken against something, and it allows the United States to grow a neutral reserve asset while finding someone to finance their deficits and buy their debt. But that's why I titled this episode, The Empire Needs Bitcoin. The Empire Needs Bitcoin.